Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. In order to block a particular person, open the chat box of the person whom you want to block on Telegram like this guys. After you have opened the chat box of the Telegram account on your phone, tap on their name at the top of the screen guys, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon appear. Tap on it, and over here you can see the block user option available for us on this menu, which is the second one. Now in order to block that user, tap on block user and tap on the block user on this menu, and that person will be blocked on your Telegram account. And with that being said guys, this is how to block someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.